Okay friends, it's time to get started on replacing our Upstream O2 sensor. You're going to find that located in the exhaust manifold. It's going to be very easy to replace. We'll remove it from right over here, and then if you follow the wiring up, you'll find the connector right out in the open. To make this a little bit easier to see, I'm just going to remove this coolant hose from the area. You don't have to remove it for this service. Let's take that O2 sensor tool and slide it right into place. Now we're going to turn this counterclockwise to remove the O2 sensor. There we are. Now that we have the O2 sensor broken free, go ahead and follow it up. You're going to find that you have a plastic clamp that holds it to the upper radiator hose. Now to remove this, you're going to find that you have two ears along each side of it. Squeeze those ears and then separate it. We'll remove this plastic and then we'll make our way all the way up to the electrical connector. So for this electrical connector, if you were to feel along the backside here, there's going to be a little squeeze tab. You can squeeze on that tab and then gently separate it. If you can't squeeze it hard enough to remove it, continue on with a small flat blade screwdriver. We'll carefully get in between this area and gently pry up on the locking tab. Give both sides of that wiring a quick inspection. We're trying to see if there's any corrosion. If there is, that would need to be dealt with. Let's make our way back over to that O2 sensor, finish turning it counterclockwise to fully remove it from the vehicle. All right, now it's time to install our O2 sensor. Let's carefully start screwing this in by hand into the catalytic converter assembly. As we're screwing this in, be extremely careful not to damage your wiring or the threads of the O2 sensor. Now that I have that as tight as I can by hand, I'll continue snugging it with my ratchet. Let's reconnect our O2 sensor. Listen for a click, give it a tug to make sure it's completely secured. Time for our plastic clip. We're going to take this, put it around the O2 sensor wire and bring it right up to that upper radiator hose. Put the clip into place and lock it in. Okay friends, we got our Upstream O2 sensor installed in the vehicle. At this point, you just want to go ahead and start up your car, make sure you don't have a check engine light, and make sure you do not have an exhaust leak. Aside from that, take it for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.